Hello, hello, hello. I'm going to be taste testing and reviewing this Entenmann's Baker's Delight mini crumb cakes. Got these at Walmart. I will link them below. Let me know if you've ever had these before. They come in individually wrapped packages. I thought it was actually very clever for them to individually wrap them. So that way, like if you want to take a couple of these in your purse or in a lunch pail or any of that kind of stuff, you are pretty set. Lisa, you had these last night. What did you think?
They tasted real good. If you like a crunch, it definitely satisfies that. I definitely would get them again.
Okay, right off the bat, you can really smell the cinnamon. It's very prevalent.
Careful, they're crumbly.
Okay.
And the more you get to the center, the more crunchy it gets. It felt like when I ate mine, anyway.
It definitely has that crumbly, crunchy top. Very yummy cinnamon taste. The cake is nice.
Yeah,
it's
moist.
Sweet and very moist.
I don't know, I feel like the powder on top I could have done without, maybe.
Yeah, the powdered sugar on top,
But
they didn't need. Out of 5 stars, what we give it?
3.5.
I think I'd give this a 3.
The crunch and powdered sugar is where it negative for me.
Yeah. If it were less crunchy on top, didn't have the powdered sugar,
It'd be a 4.
I think I'd enjoy it more.
Yeah,
But they're worth trying. I think these were under $5 at Walmart. So if you've ever had these, let me know what you thought of them. If you have not had these before, let me know if you're a fan of cinnamon flavored treats. Because if you are, this one's going to be for you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.